Sickle.
Was that a bicycle? Why
They're
are
called.
you calling that?
That's what it's called. Is that They're fudgesicles. Fudgesicle. What?
Evan home?
Nope, Evan's not home.
Marianne?
Nope, not Marianne. Is that yummy, Clyde?
No, it's. So, if I go in there, I'll see a lot of
You think so? Why don't you come sit next to Clyde, honey?
Why?
So I can get a picture of the two of you with your fudgesicles. Clyde, Lester. Yep, that's a fudgesicle.
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 No, fudgesicle.
Fudgenicle. What's better, this or the apple popsicles?
The apple one.
Yeah, well, we'll do apple next time. Clyde, what's up? You gonna share some with me?